I think what people have not like really thought that is that there actually has been a lot of work done by TradFi institutions around blockchain. It's just that it actually took quite a number of years for the technology to be ready for prime time, if you will. You know, I remember when we first started at JP Morgan, like around 2016, 17, it was kind of around the first launch of Ethereum. There certainly weren't all the layer 2s and side chains and different types of layer 1s that we have today. There was really only Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? So like, you know, let's think about where we are today. There's obviously been an evolution of many different protocols that have specialized in different areas, mostly around performance. Honestly, there should be more work around privacy. And so I would say that, you know, from a TradFi perspective, a lot of work has been done to discover the use cases that will create efficiency and productivity or, you know, new alpha generation on blockchain rails. But we were just kind of waiting for the technology to be ready. And not only were we waiting for the technology to be ready, we were waiting for the regulatory environment to be open to that technology. And then also for there to be a large enough network of participants in order for us to scale some of the different use cases that we've imagined. I think where we are today is that I feel that we are kind of in like this acceleration jump off point, if you will. So the technology is all there. As far as I can see, of course, there can be more improvement. And like I said, I think privacy is a key area that people should work on. But in addition, it seems like the United States is open for business from a blockchain-based technology infrastructure perspective, which is fantastic, which will also help accelerate the world. Although there have been, you know, regions that have been very forward-thinking, like Singapore, different parts of Europe, different parts of Asia, as an example. And then, you know, now network effects. And I think this is where, you know, Securitize and BlackRock and Skybridge and others have been leading. But there have been other asset managers pioneering as well, like Franklin Templeton, Wisdom Tree, KKR, Hamilton Lane. You know, I think that every first step is the hardest. But at some point, you know, the risk factors of being a fast follower to all of us on stage, plus all the ones that I've mentioned, you know, it has become like the threshold has become much lower. And then soon it actually just flips into like, why are you not on chain? What is it that they're doing? Like, you know, especially if we start demonstrating use cases that create value, that generate and create AUM, then you'll see a real acceleration of everyone being like FOMO again. So, you know, I think that right now is the time. We're going to start seeing it.